Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scan QR code or how you can find QR code in Discord. So in this case, you have to log out your account first. Click on settings and log out your account. After log out your account, you can see here the QR code option. Now what you're going to do is if you want to log in through mobile, Discord mobile, then you have to open your Discord mobile application. After installing it in your mobile, then you will find QR code option. I'm gonna show you where. Okay, you're gonna see the QR code. After opening your mobile Discord mobile, you should go to this cogwheel section or your profile icon. Then you'll find here in this section in the mobile, you'll find scan QR code. Then you can scan it and you can auto log into that account. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.